Hi, this is the most famous game, and in this game you can test how many words you can type under 1 minute. So we have to click on this button start now, and let's see how much time it takes us to complete this game. Just bear with me. I am trying to type as fast as I can, but I think I'm not the fastest one, definitely. But the beauty of this game is that afterwards you can compare it with the others. That, let's say there are 50,000 people that have played this game on this platform, so you should be able to see where your speed falls in that graph. You don't have to get every word correctly, but if you will, that's going to give you a benefit, because if there are incorrect words and you are going to leave it as it is just like this, then it might not be better, especially when it's going to calculate the scores. So it's better if you are typing the words incorrectly, you can just make them correct. So we are pretty much on the last line, and see how many words we have typed in under 1 minute. There you are. It shows us that average I typed 27 words in a minute. So you can share this test with your friends and family, and hope everyone performs better than me. Thank you.